Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're in the game, act now. Press pause and open settings, then go straight to accessibility. That's where the narrator lives. Locate the narrator or text-to-speech toggle and switch it to off, because that stops in-game voice narration immediately. Once done, back out to the world and listen. The spoken chat and menu narration should stop. If it didn't, make sure you saved settings by confirming the on-screen prompt. Sometimes the UI needs a second confirmation. If the narrator persists, check platform-level accessibility next. On Windows, turn off narrator in ease of access. On consoles, inspect system accessibility speech options because they can override the game. Also scan in-game chat and read aloud options. Some Bedrock builds include separate chat narration toggles. Make the necessary changes, then restart the world or the app, because settings sometimes only apply at load. You're doing this to ensure no leftover service is feeding audio into Minecraft, so verify by rejoining a world and listening carefully. Finish by closing Minecraft completely, then reopen it so all toggles take effect. Simple reload often fixes lingering narration. If you still hear it, sign out of your profile or reboot the device to clear cached accessibility states. Make sure to check the operating system's screen reader or speech settings. That's the key troubleshoot. OS-level screen readers can override the game's off setting. If problems continue, test in a new world to rule out corrupted settings, and then repeat the accessibility off step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.